Okay. Wow. That was crazy. Time for number 2. Now, cutting roots might seem counterintuitive, but it does stimulate growth. Also, with a plant that size, they're pretty mature and pretty strong. And so you don't really need to worry about the what do you call that? The strength of them. Pretty established, they'll recover. Okay, here's another one. Another mat to stop cats pissing. This one seems like it's a lot more well rooted. Okay. There. Don't damage the roots, but we're going to trim the shit out of it anyway. It's not like it matters now. Not like it matters now. There. All right, let's see if we can get this one out. I'm going to pre-cut the roots. And just soften it up a little. Okay. Whew. Okay. Dust. I just stopped there for a moment. There's a copious amount of dust. hope this survives. After this butchering, fuck. I'm gonna have no choice. So tight in there. The shape of the pot is stupid. Oh. Oh. Whew. Big plumes of dust. Whew. Yuck. Yes, come on. Yes, you fuck. Fuck. Oh my God, that is hard work. That is truly a piece of shit of a job. Okay, root ball is cut. Okay, it's still pretty. Need some more room. Need some more room. It's I'm gonna trim it a little bit more. There we go. There. These piwaka wakas, they enjoy the insects that come out of the ground and the roots. So I'm gonna chuck the roots in there. Oh, fuck. That is crazy. Crazy. You know, I can only imagine in the old days when farming, everything was manual, how fit people had to be. Like, how fit would you have to be just to survive? We're so soft today. I mean, I go to the gym and I run and stuff, but man, this is something else, man. Like, trying to wrestle with this thing, it's like, okay. All right, Waka Waka, there you go. Look at this brave thing. Look at this brave thing. Come here. Jeez, this thing is curious. And here we have it, the second ficus. Better be freaking worth it and not die.